Algebra 2. In this video, we'll go over those four practice problems, I should say. Okay, so let's take a look at 32 to the 2/5 power. Okay, so looking at this, I see that 32 appears in our column of 2's, so I can rewrite 32 as 2 to the 5th power. So 2 to the 5th power to the 2/5. And I know that sounds kind of confusing. 2 to the 5th to the 2/5. Okay, so all we did again is just rewrite 32 as 2 to the 5th. And then since we've got power to a power, we can apply those exponent rules and multiply straight across. So we're multiplying the exponents of 5 and 2/5. When I do that, I'm left with 2 squared. We know what 2 squared is. 2 squared is 4. So 32 to the 2/5 power is equivalent to 4. Okay, and then the next one is very similar. Again, I can rewrite 32 as 2 to the 5th power raised to the power of 3/5. So again, I've got power to a power, multiply straight across. I'm left with 2 to the 3rd power. I know what 2 to the 3rd power is. That's 8. So 32 to the 3/5 is equivalent to 8. Okay, and then for the next one, we're going to have to rewrite this first as an exponent and then rewrite the base. So I've got 64 squared, or the 3rd root of 64 squared. So I can rewrite this as 64 to the 2/3. And then I see that 64 appears in our column of 4s. So I'm going to rewrite the number 64 as 4 cubed. So 4 cubed raised to a power of 2/3. So again, just rewriting the base of 64 as 4/3. Okay, I've got power to a power. I've got 3 times 2/3, so I'm left with 4 squared. I know what 4 squared is. 4 squared is 16, so the answer to this one is 16. And then finally, 81 appears in our column of 3s, so I'm going to rewrite this base as 3 to the 4th power to the power of 3/4. I've got power to a power once again, multiply those two powers, and I'm left with 3 cubed. 3 cubed is 27, so the answer to this one is 27.